sisheshe ukufethinga lo sesibona neyishaya hayi bafana bathi ziyakhala ngifuna nibuke le video lena. I'm sure ukuthi lapha ekhona ohulumeni okanye wathi bazisola nokuthi imithetho bayenzelani apha public because abantu uma sebesebenzisa yona le umthetho and ngifuna ubuke le video ukuthi amaphoyisa ala. But nongabafisa umprojector lo muntu okufila. But lo muntu ukhuluma ngomthetho ngisho naliphoyisa elwaziyo ukuthi umthetho uthi umuntu okufika akavumelekile ukuthi abesana athathele economy encane like ama-spaza shops kahle ama-spaza shops nje wayesemaningi kanje akavumelekile. Lokho hayi ukuthi into esure abantu, no, umthetho obhalwe phansi ukuthi ispaza shop yabo izinto nje lezi lama economy amnani izinto lezi zokuthi abantu bazisustain abantu bakuleli. So it's a very tricky situation. That is why even government udidekile because njobona balo like this is a very tricky situation. Bafisa sometimes angathi bangabalwisa abantu bakuleli, but abantu bakuleli they are not just bluffing. Bakhuluma ngento esephepheni ukuthi ama-spaza shop no. Manje ulwe nabantu besebenzisa umthetho. That is why nje lento izoba successful. I strongly believe ukuthi emamashini akabakhona le izoba successful because abantu abakhulumi ngezinto abathathele emoyeni no bakhuluma ngento ezibhalwe phansi emthethweni wakuleli izwe lena. Ukuthi vele umuntu o illegal wenze unecala vena. Wrong. So ngabe abahambe uzokapheka usubathini mebethi ongena amaphepha akahambe. It's crazy.
Proof of those things. And we as South Africans, we are clean and clear about our position. Spaza shops are only reserved for locals. We don't want no foreign nationals that is going to operate any spaza shop anymore.
Yeah.
That is and if the government says these people, and because we want to understand to know, it says the law of South Africa, you cannot operate any spaza shops without investing in the South African economy. And we know for a fact these people, they haven't invested anything. And you can even tell that he can't even barely speak a proper English. And then he just came here recently. And then now we are going to be safe because we are respecting you. But we are not going to, and because these people cannot be operating spaza shops without a proper document. That is what we are here and keen about that position. So what we need to understand is that from your office to say, in terms of ensuring that these documents are valid, how are we going to ensure that his passport is valid, his permit is valid? Because we cannot be dwelling in their documents because in your presence, you are respecting your duty. But going forward, we'll need also the people who are going to verify these people's documents and scan them if it has to be.
Yeah, but as a ship, it's only us. So
verify that is what you say. How are we going to be certain that his document that is producing now it's valid and in order? So we as South Africans, more specifically, even the government knows this march and march is not for them to check if they have documents or not. We are saying they are not going to operate our spaza shops in our townships. Finish and clear. Spaza shops and every other small businesses are only strictly reserved for South African citizens. That's our position as citizens. Not to say we're marching to check their documents and so forth. This guy, my friend, you cannot operate this shop as we are closing. Just like that and chill.
Please.
And then you must get your best and leave our car.